Hi there! I've got a great tool to show you today. Get ready to elevate your woodworking with the Festool 576420 DF 500 Q-Set Domino Joining Machine. This tool is precision engineered for flawless joints. No kickbacks, just perfect results every time. Adjust your stops quickly and easily for unmatched accuracy. And enjoy the rotation-proof stability of domino dowels. With a range of dowel sizes from 4x 20mm to 10x 50mm, this machine is versatile enough for any project, from furniture manufacture to exhibition stands. The ergonomic design means comfort during long hours of work, while the dust extraction system keeps your workspace clean and focused. Experience the power of the Festool DF 500 Q-Set and transform your woodworking today.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.